There's a lot of interest among young people in getting back to working with your hands, right? Building things that are useful in your life yourself.
When I first took this class, I had a ton of fun with it, and I was actually thinking about doing this professionally. I've worked on a ton of skills that I was not confident in, like mortise and tenons, all that stuff.
Yeah, I spend usually about 2 to 3 weeks at the beginning of the trimester making sure everyone has a basic knowledge base of woodworking. And then the whole rest of the trimester is your own project, and I can give you ideas for a project, or a lot of people come with their own ideas for a project.
We decided what to do, and we've been doing it. We don't have a lot of classes where you can just kind of have that much freedom, and I think it's really great. I'm working on a cabinet right now for my family that we're going to take home.
You can get really good at woodworking pretty quickly, and it's really neat. And we have all like the greatest tools in the world in here.
I can have that skill to just pick up and like build something.